What's going on, my friend? Garrett here. Now, if you're doing affiliate marketing, you're going out there, you're promoting other people's products, or you're thinking about doing that, and you haven't been truly making the amount of income or commissions you want, this video is very crucial to watch, because inside this video, what I'm going to do is pull back the curtain and reveal some secret concepts that it took me a very long time to understand. But once I did, I went from struggling, not getting hardly any sales, to virtually overnight getting endless daily commissions flooding into my bank account very, very easily. Now, before I dive into this, if you're brand new to my channel, you never want to miss out on my weekly affiliate marketing and online marketing training videos. Be sure to click the subscribe button if you're on YouTube right now and the bell icon so you never miss out on my latest videos. Now, without further ado, let me go ahead and dive right in. So if you're watching this again, chances are you've been going out there, maybe you've been going to sites like ClickBank, JVZoo, you've been finding products that you don't have to create, right? You become an affiliate for those products. And maybe you've been going out there, maybe you've been going to Facebook, joining Facebook groups, posting your links, just trying to get visitors to your sales page to hopefully make a commission. Maybe you've been going to Quora, Pinterest. There's a lot of different ways to try to, market an affiliate product. But what's the problem people have? Well, the problem people have is what they're doing is they're going out there and they're marketing features. Okay, usually when I see people that come to me for help, let me bring this in a little bit so you can see that, hopefully. Okay, features. The features of the product is what most people are going out there and posting on Instagram about, posting on a Facebook group. Now, what is a feature? A feature is basically the bells and whistles of the actual product or training. It's the actual factual details of the product. So let me give you an example, and then I'm going to highlight why this is actually wrong, why most people go broke doing this, and then the solution so you can go out there today and start to make sales and money as fast as possible. So what is a feature? Well, let's say, for example, you are selling, this is a common example I teach my students. Let's say you're wanting to sell a drill. Okay, this is going to be a terrible drawing. Let's say that is a drill. Okay, and it's basically to help people drill holes in walls, right? To maybe hang a picture or something like that. So that is a drill. Okay, now the features, if you were to sell the features of this drill, basically what you would do is you go out there and say, this drill is absolutely incredible. It's 8 inches long. Okay, it's made out of metal. It is sturdy, okay, reliable. It is, I'm just thinking off the top of my head, it is, black material, okay, electric, yada, 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 right? So you go through and list all the features describing this actual product. And a lot of people are doing that on Facebook, and a lot of people are doing that on Instagram, and they're wondering why people aren't buying. This is not what you want to be selling. You do not want to be selling the features of the product you're promoting, because people at the end of the day don't really care. They're not getting a drill because it's metal or because it's electric or it has black material. What they're really getting the drill for is for a hole. Okay, let's say this is a wall. They want the hole. Okay, so you want to sell, rather than features, you want to sell benefits. Okay, benefits. What is the product or opportunity or whatever you're promoting online? What is that actually going to do for the person? What is it going to give them? So in this case, if I was selling a drill, I would sell that you're going to be able to easily and quickly get a hole in your wall so you can hang up your picture. Okay, I'm not even going to hardly mention any of this stuff, because only 1%, only people that are really drill experts even care about what it's made out of. They just want the end result. So you want to focus on selling the end result. Let me give you another example. Okay, so in my own business, a lot of people know that at the link below, I have my #1 recommended A to Z affiliate marketing business, the business that allows people to make 100% commissions and automate their entire leads and sales. Well, for example, if I was selling that, doing the features and I'll share with you the difference so you can really grasp this, because this is so powerful. If I were to sell the features, I could say you're going to get, over, 20 hours. It's probably a lot more than that, but over 20 hours of step-by-step training. Okay? You're going to get, added to thousands of member Facebook community. Okay? Just as an example, features. You're going to get access to an easy to log in membership site. Okay? Now, these are the features of what I'm promoting. Now, this sounds good, and you may see this and go, oh, okay, but it's not really going to get people to decide to buy. What really is going to get people to buy is, again, the benefits. So let me give you an example, and just notice how you watch this video, how much more compelling this actually makes you feel to take instant action right now. So, benefits of what I'm promoting, okay? You can sleep in and still make money, okay? You can travel to exotic locations whenever you want. Okay? You can spend time with your loved ones. Time with your loved ones. Okay? You could buy, one more, just for example, you could buy your dream car. In fact, one of our members just got a Ferrari, which is absolutely incredible, and house, okay? So see, these are the benefits. These are the end results of why they want the training. They don't actually want 20 hours of training. They want to be able to sleep in and still make money. They want to be able to travel. They want to be able to spend time with their loved ones. So that's what I sell. That's what I tell people. Hey, you can actually join at the link below, plug yourself into that proven business, and just like thousands of people from all over the world, ages 18 to 80, you can actually start to, buy your dream car and house from the earnings that start pouring in, okay? So when I focus on the benefits, that's what gets people rushing to my join link. That's what gets people pulling out their credit card and deciding to buy. It's the benefits, the end result. See, to make one more demonstration, to really hammer this home, if you go out there and promote products online, you really want to get away from the features and focus on the benefits. Think about the features. Okay, this is the person, okay? And this person is currently unhappy. And again, it does not matter why they're unhappy. Maybe you're promoting a health and weight loss product. Maybe they're overweight, okay? And they're just unhappy. Well, what you want to realize is the features, okay? This is like the bridge. Okay, let's say that's a bridge, and this is some water right here, okay? I know I'm an amazing artist, right? Picasso would be, very proud of that, right? Let's say this is the features, right? The features is like the bridge that's going to get this person from where they are to the benefit, which is the end result, okay? The end result. So let's say this is them happy, okay? Looking great, maybe with some muscles, okay? Just feeling good. So this is the person. The features is what actually is going to get them there, right? The courses, the training, the product, and the benefit is the end result. But in your marketing and Facebook groups, on emails, you just want to focus on selling the end result. If you join this, you're going to be, looking lean and ripped. If you, buy this product, you're going to be able to make money, travel the world, do what you want to do with the people you love doing it with. You want to focus on the end result, because that's what's going to get them to buy. This is just the stepping stone to get them to their true goal. Okay, so I hope this helped you. If you got value on understanding what gets most people not making sales, which is, again, focusing on features, you now realize why you should sell the benefits. Give me a like so I know to make more of these step-by-step videos. Also, be sure to comment below what you want me to teach you next as far as online marketing, making money online. And last but not least, if you're watching this video and you want to discover my #1 recommended affiliate marketing business to learn how to build a business from A to Z in the most step-by-step and fast way possible, be sure to go to the link below and check out that. I really think you're going to love it. Anyway, my friend, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you on my next video.